Hey folks, we're on another one. Welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures, the Endless Summer Series. This is electric fuel pump edition. Got me a faucet. But right now we're just going to rubber line it, wire it all up, get it ready. As for the air cleaner, I'm still waiting in the mail for a few pieces to come in, so I decided to just jump to this. You remember the fiasco on the trail with the fuel pump? A couple days ago when I was backing it in the garage, I could smell gas. This fuel pump's leaking. I decided to go ahead and take care of this ASAP. Pretty easy, 2 holes. I had an electric fuel pump on this at one time, so hopefully the holes are still there. Ground right to one of the bolts. This goes to the relay. The relay goes to the coil and to the battery. Pretty simple wiring, basic stuff. Let's get on it, folks. Let's plumb up the new fuel pump with the fittings. And we need to get the old fuel pump out to start this install. Now we're on to the fuel pump delete. A little finesse with the screwdriver handle. No way. No way. There we go. Whoop. Looks good. Sorry, I couldn't hold the camera. And drill. And screw. I got this thing all in here. Perfect. Yeah. All right, let me get a little screwdriver. Undo this one. That goes to the coil. Bam! Looking for something cased. That looks good. That looks good. Gotta splice these up. That fuse box says screw connector, so cool. Looks good to me. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Yo, you're in the way. And my hat, Bill. Yeah. It's hard to do this with the camera in the way. There it goes. That's the spot. There it is. I knew I had it. Yeah. Don't over tighten these, folks. There we go. We got that in. The wire is in. Plugs into the coil. Just don't turn the key on. Alright, perfect. Did get my piece of aluminum tubing in the mail today. So it looks like tomorrow, back on the air cleaner. There we go. I got this thing all wired in here. Hopefully it works. I gotta tidy up some loose stuff in case I have to move wires, you know. Alright, got the little wire up here. The hose line is good. The wiring's all done in here. I left it loose in case I have to tidy it up a little bit. Alright, there's the fuel pump right here. The bigger line fits on that plastic filter, so I'll cut that, run that over. This one goes over to the inlet and clamped on, so it's pretty straightforward. All right, let me double check the direction and get these hooked up. Do a test hit, see if it works. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that going from the thin line to the thick line, I lose a few pounds of pressure, but these are running anywhere from 7 or from 4 to 7. So I believe I'll be okay. As long as it's not under 2 pounds of pressure, I should be pretty good. All right, let me get these hooked up, see if I can get this thing fired up. Oh, that's gonna work, bitchin'. I think I'm okay. Don't see any leaks. See if it starts. Got an exhaust leak. Still. That's where those come in, those heater boxes. That'll solve a lot of the exhaust leak stuff. We got this, goes on here. Fine. Things are coming together. One more thing done. Let's get out of here before we die. All right, folks, that concludes our fuel pump install. Things are coming together.